Highly blissfulest everyone, it's your girl Nikki and I'm back with another video. So today I had a vision that I was picking rhubarb, and I remember that I planted rhubarb at the front of the yard. So off to the front of the yard I went foraging rhubarb. So I have to cut it with a knife, so don't follow me. I was just being a bit like lack of knowledge, and then I remember you just twist rhubarbs off. So I harvest some rhubarb and I'm not quite sure what we're going to do yet, but the vision was exciting and the process is to be trust. So basically I'm just harvesting them, and then what will be. All right, so I went ahead and I researched the skin benefits of using rhubarb. It is rich in antioxidants. I can't even speak. It has a lot of vitamin C and minerals. It is packed with beta-carotene, phenolic acid, anti-inflammatory properties, antibacterial, and astringent. It brightens the skin. It's packed with vitamin A. It's full of good stuff for the skin, and it helps to reduce free radicals that cause skin damage and premature aging. It also helps to keep your skin looking young and healthy. Who wants some? Come follow me on this journey then. Wow, so much. This one's all. Get this one. Yeah, that one's all. I think I'm gonna leave these now. Hopefully it'll be alright. This one. Let me take this one. Ow, ow, ow. And this one come out easy, this one. Yeah. Let me show you what I've just got. Jesus. Enough, isn't it? Rhubarb and custard. So the idea I got, right? First idea I got was to make a rhubarb cold processed soap. Then I thought of to make a rhubarb and strawberry shampoo. Then I thought of, I could make a rhubarb body wash or rhubarb body cream. And I'm thinking, okay, you're not gonna stop. And then I thought, oh my god, I could make rhubarb and lemonade, like rhubarb and lemon lemonade. I was like, all right, enough. I just weighed it out, so I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do yet, but you'll be the first to know when I decide. All right, I'll see you soon. Right, so guess what happened? I got a brainstorm event in my head and I pinpoint what I wanted to do. So I'm gonna cut up the rhubarb. I have to cut them up, and then I'm going to be stewing them down and making the juices for my products. All right, so yes, I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I can make at least 8 different products from this. Yes, actually 8 different products. All right, let me tell you, I can make a body wash, I can make hair rings, I can make conditioner and shampoo, I can make cold processed soap, I can make face wash, body and face cream, 2 different things. I can make so many different things, but today I'm gonna show you how I make this beautiful eczema cream for the whole body. Yes, I'm taking it to the first level. I'm going to do the eczema cream. All right, with my formula. This is my original formula, and I'm just gonna use the rhubarb and added ingredients that I made, that rhubarb tea, to soothe the skin. So this cream is going to be for antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. It's gonna be healing, soothing. It can help with diaper rash. It's gonna be antiseptic, skin repairing, renewal. It's gonna have antioxidants in there that helps to rejuvenate the skin. Listen, this is also gonna help the scalp. Yeah, like your head, like your scalp. You can actually use it in your hair. So just join me as I show you how I go through making this beautiful body. I call it High Priestess Body Wrap, because basically the way it sucks onto your skin and just absorb into your beautiful skin. It's amazing, and I'm using the lightest ingredients ever, and really holistic ingredients as well, that will bring, you know, unity to, you know, your intention, so it can work on your skin, if you get me, right? So let's talk about what I'm using. I'm using 6 grams of cetyl alcohol, 6 grams of olive derived alcohol, and 39 grams of oil. So I had an oil blend, and I use this rosehip oil with my hemp. So I'm using hemp and rosehip oil. I've used glycerin, and I've used distilled water for the base of this cream, right? Hopefully me now go backwards, me I go forwards. Righty, so we're gonna do a warm bath. So I'm gonna weigh out 140 grams of tea and put it in the hot water with the oil phase. So water and oil phase is gonna go, and you know, the temperature, hopefully we get it right. The water was too hot, so you know, we carry it over, me cool it down, and you know, I did my thing and get it reduced to how I wanted it. And then afterwards we kind of, you know, blend up everything. You get me? So I combine the water into the oil phase, and then I use my immerse blender and I went and I blend. Remember with this, because of the temperature, you need to give it time to come together. So it needs to cool down in between you blending, because if you don't, it's going to kind of separate the oil from the water. You don't want that. So take your time, don't rush, slow down. Focus. Anyways, yes, so me take time and had, you know, alternate may come in at intervals. You get me? I try to use big words, but anyways, I come in at intervals, and I blend, and then I cool down, then I whisk. Not even whisk, I use a spatula and a mix, and then I blend again, because I didn't want it to destable the formulation. So I had to take my time and, you know, make sure air got into it to cool it down slowly and not too quickly. All right. So I continue to do this until the consistency that I thought was emulsified and ready to be, you know, cooled down into a cream before I add the preservative and my extracts and fragrance. So I left it to cool down, and here you have it. It looks more like a cream, so I'm just adding my preservative. But you have to be so careful on which or what preservatives you use, because I almost lost it here. And I was like, oh my God, please don't destable on me. Don't destable on me at all. So at this point, I was praying, because I did not want to lose all the ingredients I put in here. This is going to be a very nice soothing cream. My son started itching his back in his sleep last night, and I know it's because it's getting so cold and moist here in the UK. So I've made the balm, and this cream is in our healing collection. So I've made the balm already, and the balm is good. But he wanted something more conditioning and moisturizing. Look how beautiful the cream turned out to be. As I said, the preservative, you have to be careful what preservatives you put in, because I almost lost it here, but I caught it. And it looks so beautiful. The texture of it is so creamy and nice. It glides onto your skin, but you know what it does as well? It leaves like a nice layer on your skin, which I know for sure it's protecting from the elements. It's just protecting your skin. And as I said, it's cold in the UK right now. It's getting a bit moist. So you know it's going to make the skin dry out a lot more. So we need to seal whatever moisture we can store into the, you know, the layers of our skin, so it can penetrate and keep us hydrated for the winter months. Right. So I've added vanilla as fragrance to this beautiful cream, and I'm just jarring it up now because I've finished. It's cooled down. It's nice. I love how it feels on my skin. So yeah, I wanted to just make sure that I show you guys how you can formulate little things in your house. You know, I made a nice label for it. And I'll be using this on my son tonight, and I can't wait to actually go and have a shower and, you know, wrap myself up into this High Priestess body wrap. And there you have it, our beautiful rhubarb and vanilla cream. And I got the rhubarb from our garden, so it's the organic rhubarb. And I added some lovely ingredients to soothe your eczema skin. Thank you all for watching me. Highly blissful.